Hey guys, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through on this particular project I once handled. So inside here is inside a 20 feet container, which is by conversion 6-meter length of container. So the main thing is to make a rehabilitation to the exterior and most importantly to the interior part of this container, making it more suitable and comfortable for usage. And as you can see, the existing ceiling here is made up of PVC, while the electrical installation surface piping. So the window installation here is louvers installation, while the walls of this container are made up of plywood boards. So moving forward, going by the exterior of this container, we could sense that the main entrance door had been changed, while the louvers removed, and the burglary, which was initially outside, now inside. As we can see here, our plywood boards and our PVC are under removal, while welding work for the installation of windows burglaries still in progress. So removing the existing plywood boards on the wall of this container, we discovered the container has an underlay, which is a very good one for the container. So after so much deliberation, we decided to make use of drywall for this container. And as we can see in this video, some of our profile studs and tracks have been put in place, while electrical installation, which of course this time around is conduit piping, was also done alongside with it. Having said this, we decided to give allowance for kitchen inside this container, which brought about plumbing installation. So over here are our plaster boards being placed on our profiles inside the container. As we all know in construction that projects are done in stages. So looking through very well in this video, we will all notice that all our walls had been put in place using POP plaster boards and cement boards where necessary. And some of our electrical fittings and wiring had also been put in place. So now, before screeding commenced on the wall, joint nets were used on every joint on the boards, while corner bits at the edges of our kitchen entrance. And inside there is our initial planned kitchen area to be used. Now, over here is our precast concrete base and stair for the container still undergoing settings. So we had to vary the height of the concrete base because of the slopy ground for which the container is to be stationed. And here is where we took our supply of electricity for the container. So guys, if we could notice very well, over here, we will notice that our container had actually been moved to where it is needed and rightfully seated on our precast concrete base, as the rehabilitation of the container work kick-started off-site. So now, moving further, we have to lay our supply and wastewater pipe for this container. So guys, lo and behold, is our floor finishes inside this container. This is an SPC floor tiles being used inside this container. It has a length of 1.220 meter with a breadth of 0.183 meter. So this particular floor tiles, as we can see, is already padded, which means there is no need for us using an underlay before laying this particular floor tiles. And here, we needed to make some changes to our kitchen partitioned walls to give allowance for bathroom and toilet in this area and make our kitchen an open kitchen. So in accomplishing this, we have to remove our initial fixed POP plaster boards from the exterior and interior wall of the kitchen area and replace the exterior wall with POP plaster boards, while the interior wall with cement boards, which we are seeing on the ground because of its moisture resistance. And again, we had to reposition the entrance that leads to the bathroom and toilet area. Now, over here is our open kitchen area, with the wall being replaced with a cement board. Cement screeding and POP screeding were done on the walls where necessary. So here is inside our bathroom and toilet area, and as we can see, all our walls have been replaced with cement boards and screeded. White tiling rendering was done to the wall of the bathroom area to accommodate wall tiles. And here comes our floor finishes and wall finishes for the bedroom and toilet area. This particular area was our partitioned area, which we intend making use of previously as kitchen before its conversion to bathroom and toilet. So guys, sit back and enjoy the rest of the video to now see what the interior of this container now looks like. So on our left hand side is our kitchen cabinet and a sliding barn door at the entrance of our bathroom and toilet area. Before the whole interior wall will now be painted. So thank you guys for watching this video till this moment. If you find this video so impactful, help give this video a like, comment, share, and most especially subscribe to this channel. Thank you.